welcome back to Samir's Craft. So today we are going to make friendship bands. So let's start. So for that we need colorful sheets and glue, scissors and a beautiful ribbon. So let's start. So first I have taken a green paper and we have to cut a strip from it. So I have cut a strip with it. Now we have to make a bow with it, such like this. Like this. Now we have to cut this extra piece like this. Now we have to start wrapping the paper. Like this. You just have to keep wrapping it. Like this. It is having the shape of a pentagon. You have to wrap it till the paper gets finished. Then at last, when it's left only this much, there will be a pocket. You have to keep it in it. Means you have to put it in it. And then here's an extra part coming. That also you have to cut like this. Now we have to make the shape of the star like this. We have to press it from the side. And see here our star is made. Like this we have to make little stars and we can make a bracelet with them. Then we need a ribbon. I'm cutting it. This much. Then we need to paste these stars on this ribbon. Then from one side of the ribbon, you have to fold it this much. And you have to paste it here. So that the ribbon can cross from here and it will be a size adjustable band. Like this from here. So now let's paste it. First we have to put glue here. And now we are going to paste these stars. Like this. Now I'm using black pen and with it I'm writing my friend's name here. And here it's done. You can make friendship bands for your other friends too. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. So bye bye.